Hey YouTube, Matt here with Mr. Energy. Hey, today we are replacing some teeth on my excavator bucket. It's actually the shank that holds onto the teeth. This was a very difficult job, lots of grinding, as you can see. After grinding and beating on this for a few hours, I decided to bust out the cutting torch. Just being very careful not to cut too much into the bucket. More grinding and pounding. I actually broke my chisel on this thing. So with the two shanks, replacing it on the bucket here, I'd guess about 3.5 hours for each one. So almost a full day. About 7 hours. Yep. I'd probably charge, I don't know, anywhere from $1,000 to maybe $1,200 for a job like this. The parts weren't too expensive. They were probably $20 a shank, and I think those teeth were about $10 or $12. So yeah, the welding, that's the easy part. I just made sure to fill all the gaps all the way around and make sure it's nice and clean. Get all the slag from the torch, grind it away, and any dirt or rust. And for this, I just cranked up my welder, the highest setting, just to make sure I got really good penetrations. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next one.